businesses build their computer networks and hosting infrastructures on an ad hoc basis, and this creates an out-of-control collection of solutions that barely meet the needs of your business. Your business needs and goals change over time, and that means the infrastructure used to support those goals also needs to change. If your business grows, changes the way it operates, launches new products, or is looking for ways to increase profits, you should be looking at a custom IT infrastructure to meet your goals. The best system from 3 or 5 years ago is probably not the best option for today and the future. With professional network design services, everything is created specifically to how your business operates. We will take care of everything, whether you're building a new location or upgrading your existing infrastructure. Let us show you how our professional network design, cabling, and custom IT infrastructure can benefit your organization. Contact us for a free consultation today.